Hello, my dear students. In this occasion, I'm gonna share with you 10 multiplication games, okay, that you can practice at home, okay? Remember, you have to improve your multiplications, and practice is very important to learn, okay? So first, you need to have this in your notebook or on a paper. You need to write 3 columns. In the first column, you write numbers. In the second column, you write multiplication sentence. And in the third column, you write answer. Okay, so please have this on a paper. Okay, tengan esto en una hoja. Have this on a paper. Remember, you can pause the video anytime. Recuerden que pueden pausar el video en cualquier momento. All right? So now let's go to the multiplication games, okay? So I'm gonna share with you this video. It's about 2 students that really like mathematics, especially multiplying, okay? So let's do it over here. Okay. The first game, you need to have a carton of eggs, an empty carton of eggs. Conseguir un cartón vacío de huevos. All right. Uh-oh, I have a little problem here. Okay, right there, it's functioning. I think it's functioning. I think it's functioning. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, right there. Yes. Okay, I have it. All right. Well, yes, like I was saying, you need to get an empty carton of eggs and you need to write the numbers. For example, this carton has the numbers from 0 to 11. So you can write from 0 to 5, from 0 to 10, from 0 to 20. It's up to you, okay? And you write, for example, this one has 0, 5, 6, 10, 9, 1, 2, 7, 8, 3, 4, 11, okay? So it's up to you. But it's very important for you to write a number in each space, okay? And then you need to get 2 Legos, okay? Red Legos or blue Legos. Okay, what are they going to do? Well, they are going to put them inside. Okay, they are going to put them inside the carton and then they are going to shake them. They are going to open and then they are going to multiply the red Legos and the blue Legos. Okay, now over here, it's very important to write your numbers on your paper, remember? Okay, this is the example. Right here, the student has the column for numbers, the column for the multiplication sentence, and the column for the answer. So right here in the numbers, in the column of the numbers, you write the numbers that your Legos have, okay? And then you make the multiplication sentence, and then you write the answer. For example, right here, he has 4 and 2, I believe. 4 and 2. And the multiplication sentence is 4 times 2. And the answer, it's 8. If you don't know the answer, you have to look it up. Okay? It's very important for you to look up the answer. Okay? Now, you have to look it up, all right? And this is the game about the carton of eggs. All right? So find the 2 Legos, okay? Let's go with the next game. In the next game, you need to build 2 spinners, okay? And then you need to multiply. You need to do it like this, all right? What are you going to do with the spinners? Well, you are going to spin them around, okay? You're going to spin the 2 circles, and then you're going to multiply. But first, the number of each spinner, you need to write it in your paper, okay? In each column, all right? This is very important to write the numbers on the paper for you to practice. Okay, let's go with the next game. Number 8. If you have some cards, you can use them to play. You divide the cards. Each student or each person has a set of cards, and then you start multiplying. 2 times 4. The person that says the answer first is the winner. 3 times 9, 7. Remember, the first person with the answer is the winner. 10 times 10, 100. Okay? So this is another game that you do to practice your multiplication. 1 times 4, 4. Okay? Well, very good. Okay, let's go with the next game. All right? Okay, in the next game, you are going to write some memorandum cards, and you're going to play memorandum or memory game. Okay, you write the answer on one card, and you write the multiplication on the other card. Okay, and this is how you play. Okie dokie. And this is another fun way to practice your multiplication. All right? And when you have a pair, you take them with you. Okay, the next game. Let's go with the next game. The next game is a bingo card, okay? In the bingo card, you have the answers. And in the small cards, you have the multiplication sentence, okay? Multiplication sentence and the answers on the bingo card. Okay, and you play bingo. Okie dokie, let's go with the next game. Okay, the next game is with dice. You choose 2 dice and you multiply 2 times 4. Remember to use your paper. You write the numbers on one column, you write the multiplication sentence in the other column, and you write the answer. Okay, and you throw the dice again. And this is another fun way to practice your multiplication. Okay, another game, another option for another game. Dominoes. Okay, you turn around one domino and you multiply the 2 numbers. In this case, 4 times 4. Remember to write the numbers on your paper. Okay, let's go with the next game. You need some sticks. And you're gonna write the multiplication sentence on the stick. And then you're going to choose the stick. And remember to write the numbers on your paper. Okay? So it's very important to write the numbers on the stick. Okay, the next game. What are you going to do on the next game? Okay, for the next game, you're going to write the multiplication sentence and the answer. And on this way, you're gonna practice the multiplication with the answer, okay? Remember to write the multiplication sentence on the top and the answer on the bottom, okay? And the last game, you're gonna use some plates and you're gonna use a shoelace. What are you going to write on the plate? You're going to write the factors, okay? On the middle of the plate, you're going to write the number. For example, in this case, 24, okay? And then on the side, you are going to write the factors. What is a factor? Well, a factor is the number which you can multiply and you get this number, the answer. For example, 6 is a factor of 24 because you can multiply 6 with a specific number and you will get the answer 24. 24 is another factor because you can multiply 24 with a specific number, in this case 1, 24 times 1, and you get the answer 24. Now 2 is another factor because you can multiply 2 with a specific number and you get the answer 24. In this case, 2 times 12. 2 times 12, 24. 8 is another factor because you can multiply 8 with a specific number and you will get 24. So 8 times 3 in this case, and you get 24. So the factors are the numbers which you can multiply with another specific number and you will get the answer that you have in the middle. Okay? And then you practice putting the shoelace on the holes. All right, my dear students? And this is, well, this is the example right here. You put the shoelace in with the factors. This game will help you to remember the factors, okay? And you can be multiplying at the same time, trying to get the answer on the middle of the plate. Okie dokie, my dear students. And well, these are 10 fun games that you can choose from to practice your multiplication. Remember, repetition is very important for you to learn, okay? And champions require concentration, effort, and obedience. Okie dokie, my dear students? Well, until the next time.